I'm really happy with my performance, and since I was the first performer, I think I gave it a good start. I hope that would turn out to be a good thing for me, and I hope I win it because I was definitely prepared, and I'm a professional dancer, so our nervousness, tension on the Mondairnilla, it was an easy go performance.
ഒത്തിരി ടെൻഷൻ അല്ലായിരുന്നു, but still ജഡ്ജസിനെ കണ്ടപ്പോഴത്തേക്കും അതൊക്കെ മാറി, ഇച്ചിരി ടെൻഷൻ ആയിരുന്നു.
I actually wasn't prepared. I was down with fever on the day of Christmas, and I'm still like, I'm still in the verge of the fever, but still somehow I prepared and I gave it my best on that day.
My talent round, there were some difficulties. I wanted to play the piano, but it wasn't there on time, so I had to have this last minute backup plan and a party party. It was satisfactory, I would say.
Forever wild, crazy days, the silly lights, the way you play with me like a child.
Current scenario on women is insecurity of women. Because of that, I mean, I kind of wanted to put both together, insecurity of women and the women of Kerala. Their past has been so strong, like Unyasha had given an example of. I dedicated it to her even though I didn't go close to it. But yeah, my dance was a combination of contemporary, a little bit of Bharatanatyam, and a little, very, very little bit of Kalaripai too.
Krishna
professional classical dancer, എനിക്ക് അങ്ങനെ ടെൻഷൻ വന്നിട്ടില്ല. കാരണം കുഞ്ഞുനാൾ മുതൽക്കേ സ്റ്റേജിൽ തന്നെയാണ് കളിച്ചു വളർന്നിട്ടുള്ളത്. ഡാൻസ് കഴിഞ്ഞ് പെർഫോം ചെയ്ത് കഴിഞ്ഞ സമയത്ത് ഓഡിയൻസിൽ നിന്നുള്ള അഭിപ്രായം വെച്ച് ഐ തിങ്ക് ഐ ഡിഡ് മൈ ബെസ്റ്റ്.
Talent ടാലൻറ്റ് റൗണ്ടിൽ ഞാൻ ക്ലാസിക്കൽ ഭരതനാട്യമാണ് പെർഫോം ചെയ്തത്. I've been learning dance for the past 18 years, but yesterday the experience was different because ഇതൊരിക്കും competition പോകണമെങ്കിൽ everybody is doing ഭരതനാട്യം അങ്ങനെയൊക്കെയാണ്. ഇപ്പോൾ it was a different stage where talent on most of them are doing Mohiniyattam, cinematics, so the talent as such, I don't know how much mine was recognized.
എനിക്ക് എപ്പോഴും ഈ ക്ലാസിക്കൽ ഡാൻസുമായിട്ട് ഭയങ്കര താല്പര്യമായിരുന്നു. പക്ഷേ എനിക്ക് ഞാൻ പഠിക്കാൻ കൂടുതൽ അത് പെർസ്യൂ ചെയ്യാൻ പറ്റിയില്ല. പക്ഷേ ഇങ്ങനൊരു പ്ലാറ്റ്ഫോം കിട്ടിയപ്പം എനിക്കൊരു സെമി ക്ലാസിക്കൽ തന്നെ ചെയ്യണം എന്നുണ്ടായിരുന്നു. ഞാനത് പഠിച്ചെടുത്തു. ഫുൾ എൻ്റെ കംപ്ലീറ്റ് പ്രാക്ടീസ് ചെയ്തു. I gave my best performance. I hope everybody liked it because that was my best attempt.
We had a talent round. I performed folk dance. That's my first time that I'm doing folk dance actually. I was happy with my performance because എനിക്ക് പറ്റാവുന്ന രീതിയിൽ ഞാനത് അത്രയും നന്നായി ചെയ്തു എന്ന് എനിക്ക് തോന്നുന്നു.
Yeah, actually, due to chikungunya, I was worried about my dance because I wasn't prepared, and even doctor said me not to do this because I'm not well enough to do that. But still, I gave my best, and I'm really happy for whatever I did.
Ho makes me of time bread. Speak and reveal to me, Master, the inmost laws of life and death.
I just performed a poetry. I was a little bit nervous because it was my first time, but somehow I managed it.
I, bending from the sevenfold heights, will talk to you and will fill you with the enduring praise.
ടാലൻറ്റ് റൗണ്ടിൽ ഞാൻ ചെയ്തത് മോഹിനിയാട്ടമാണ്. A very technical piece. I love doing Mohiniyattam because I can feel it when I do. I am just into it. So I was very happy with my performance.
Dad! I want 50,000 rupees. Now you'll be alright. Dad! What's wrong with you? Dad! Get out!
I went inside with my black track pant and black t-shirt, and I saw around people wearing gorgeous clothes, gorgeous hairstyles and everything. I was just taken aback. So I decided, I was supposed to do a contemporary dance, so I decided just to do an acting piece, which I'm good at. I did it and judges really liked it.
Dad!